Are you ready to take control of your health and transform your life? Then it's time to embark on a journey of self-discovery and rejuvenation. Detoxification is not just about cleansing your body, it's about detoxifying your mind and spirit as well. By following our comprehensive do-it-yourself Herbal Detox Body Cleansing program, you can achieve a holistic transformation. Picture this: a fresh start, a renewed sense of vitality, and a life free from toxins. Our program offers you the opportunity to detox and heal yourself naturally. Nature has provided us with everything we need for optimal health, and medicine is no exception. Health is a state of peace, where your body, mind, and spirit are in perfect harmony. A good herbal detox program should help you achieve that balance and unlock your true potential. You may be wondering, where do I start? Remember, small steps set in stone can lead to stunning results. True wisdom is putting ancient knowledge into action. With toxic overload and metabolic diseases on the rise worldwide, a herbal detox is needed now more than ever. Introducing the most comprehensive do-it-yourself Herbal Detox Body Cleansing program in the world, brought to you by leading medical herbalist Brett Elliott. Brett has dedicated his life to herbal medicine and has developed a program that combines the healing power of herbs, detoxifying foods, and the strength of your mind. Join us on this transformative journey. Let's unlock the potential of your body's natural healing abilities and create a powerful healing triangle with healing foods, herbs, and tapping into the amazing power of your mind. Remember, true wisdom is putting knowledge into action. It's time to empower yourself and change your life. Don't wait another moment. Take the next step on your health journey. Visit Brett Elliott's free herbal program calculator now and start your transformation today. Detoxify, rejuvenate, and live your best life. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on holistic health. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay healthy, and blessings on your journey.